Strapi versus Payload. Which headless CMS is better in 2025? Whether you are a developer choosing your next backend or a business owner looking for content flexibility, this video breaks down the key differences to help you decide. Stick around for a full comparison across performance, customization, ease of use, and more. Overview. Let's start with a quick overview. Strapi is a popular open source Node.js based headless CMS built on Koa. It supports both REST and GraphQL APIs and is known for its large community, UI based content management, and extensibility. Payload CMS is also Node.js based but built on Express. It's gaining momentum fast thanks to its developer-first mindset, strong TypeScript support, and built-in authentication and access control. So both are JavaScript-based, open source, and self-hostable, but let's go deeper. Ease of use. In terms of ease of use, Strap shines for non-developers. Its admin panel is polished, intuitive, and perfect for content editors. You can create content types and manage media all with clicks. Payload, on the other hand, is more developer-oriented. While it does have an admin panel, its configuration lives entirely in code. That means no GUI-based schema building, but if you love working in code, that's actually a win. Strapi is better for teams that want visual user interface setup. Payload favors devs who love full control through code, customization, and extensibility. Both platforms are customizable, but the philosophy is different. Strapi lets you use plugins, hooks, and middleware. It's flexible, but some core changes can feel a bit complex due to its architecture. Payload is modular by design. It's written in TypeScript, has file-based configs, and includes access control, authentication, and localization out of the box. No need for plugins. Payload offers deeper customization out of the box. Strapi is more plug-and-play, but can feel limiting for advanced logic. Performance and deployment. When it comes to performance, Payload has an edge in 2025, especially for projects using modern front-end frameworks like Nest.js or Astro. It's leaner and plays well with serverless functions. Strapi, while performant, can become heavier with plugins and add-ons. It does require more tuning for high-traffic apps. In terms of deployment, both can be self-hosted or run on platforms like Heroku, DigitalOcean, or Docker. But Payload also works well with serverless-first platforms like Vercel. Payload wins on raw performance and serverless readiness. Strapi is solid but not as lightweight. Community and ecosystem. Strapi has been around longer and has a larger community. You will find more tutorials, plugins, and templates. Payload is newer, but growing quickly. Its developer-focused community is active, and their GitHub repo is one of the fastest growing in the CMS space. Strapi has the mature ecosystem. Payload is catching up fast, especially with developers. Conclusion and recommendation. So which should you choose in 2025? Choose Strapi if you want a GUI, fast onboarding, and a strong plugin ecosystem, great for teams with non-tech editors. Choose Payload if you are a developer who wants full control, great TypeScript support, and modern performance out of the box. Both are excellent choices, but your pick should match your team's workflow and project needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and let me know in the comments which CMS are you using in 2025.